So putting your feet up at the end of the day is a time-honored way of relaxing. And in yoga, we practice inversions like headstands, handstands, that kind of thing. But they're not easy. But one way of getting all those benefits of inversions is by putting your legs up against the wall, and it's deeply, deeply relaxing. So try this at the end of the day for 5 to 10 minutes. So simply shuffle over to the wall, put your bottom against the wall, come to lie on one side like this, and then simply just raise your legs up against the wall so your bottom and your legs are supported by that wall. So you're like in an L shape, arms out by the side, and just engage with your breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep that going. And the benefits of inversions are many. So it's said to sort of lower the blood pressure, kick in the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest. It helps any puffy, sore feet, drain away any excess fluid from the legs, really giving those tired legs a bit of a rest. And it's said to give the heart a bit of a rest from pumping around all that oxygenated blood to the extremes of the body. Anyway, it is a deeply relaxing posture, so enjoy it down here. And when you want to come out, you just walk those legs down the wall, press up with your arms, and back up into a seated position. Enjoy.